the students, and what is it that you want them to take away watching this? Even the new topic for the year. Parang like first time namin as theater people, no? First time namin nanonood ng production, mas ganito yung topic for the kicker of the year. Now, as opposed to the young students that you're targeting, ano yung parang gusto yung magiging take-home message?
So kung I would have to choose the main target audience, it would be the leaders of the industry. Or at least yung mga nasa may kapangyarihan na to decide for other people. Because sila yung may immediate effect dapat to, hindi naman change the mindset, but have a refreshed mindset na if you're coming from a point of empathy, you would reach out to the people that you are deciding for. So yun yung message na gusto natin. The young ones, syempre ang message is to be aware of what you really see online. So, yun yung coming from, kasi mas sila yung vulnerable for me na side of the chunk of the population. Because sabi, all I see are harsh comments. Susundan naman nila kung ano yung nai-vibe nila or nakikita nilang proseso. So for me, the immediate audience would be someone who can make a difference now. Sabi nga nila, the youth is the future. We need the action now. We need I don't know, how can we institutionalize that kind of perspective in terms of using social media. Kasi tayo, I'm sure we are very responsible with our platform, especially ngayon. You know that one word would be a make or break for someone that you're writing about, diba? But can we say that for the majority of people? So yun yung gusto natin yung
Ako, last takeaway ko, i-carry nyo yung mga ganitong talk ng show. Kasi iba-ibang mga pananaw at show naglalabas sa audience for that particular performance. And it's going to be a learning process. So, thank you so much. Limited kami. Being the first audience.
Parang na-reverse din namin itong